Hello, everybody. This is Pradyumna, and I'm presenting you the midweek assignment for week 8. So, there were a couple of interesting discoveries that I found was appealing in this course, academic communication, but these three were the most appealing and interesting discoveries to me. The first thing being coronal method of note taking, where there are 5 hours that we use to take notes. Second thing is academic honesty, where we learned about different type of plagiarism and what academic honesty really means. And finally, the learning style is a myth, which basically means that in the early days, people had differentiated between different learning styles, and they were sure that an individual had a particular learning method, be it reading or writing or kinesthetic method or seeing or hearing something. However, later on, in the later academic periods, people found out that individuals should accept or comprehend with each of the learning style to have better understanding of the given subject or topic. Questions for this main session. I mean, there aren't much questions left for me to ask. I mean, the course or the facilitator has covered most of the questions that had come across my mind. However, my main question or questions are: what is the main idea behind metacognition, and is learning style really a myth, or do people have specific style of learning? Now, coming to the finding, support and answer to the questions that I asked previously. First of all, I would mm, I would inquire through, or I would educate myself through journal articles that are peer reviewed, and specially peer reviewed through LIRN or Google Scholars, and consultation with my academic facilitator. I mean, like asking questions to him, having interactive conversations with my academic facilitator, that is Mr. Alok Lamsal. So the challenges in this set session was that critical thinking implementation, and this is not only a problem or issue in the academic field. This can be also related to the professional life of any individual. And the second one is essay writing. Of course, we have studied about thesis statement, body paragraph, conclusion, and what are to be included in the body paragraph, how are conclusions created, how do we construct our thesis statement. But it is really not easy to write an essay on any particular given topic, because no matter how much we write, we are always gonna miss some portion of or some part of the topic that we are going to write. And how do we overcome the given challenges? That is by practicing. See, practicing is the best way to overcome any challenges given to a student. Without the without the practical implementation, knowledge is useless. So I found this quote somewhere in the Google, and I found it very appealing. And it goes: knowledge is powerful but powerless if you got it and you do not acknowledge it. And this would be my reflection of all week 8 sessions that we have gone through. Thank you.